No, we already tipped your shit, bro.
And no receipt, right?
Nah, I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, actually, yeah. Oh, damn,
shit.
for
Well, I can still
taxes. We
print
need
it.
that shit for taxes.
All right, let me.
Please. Thank you. For y'all that don't know, collect your receipts, because after you make a certain amount, you got to start writing shit off. You get what I'm saying? What is that? That's barbecue sauce? Hmm? Let me see.
Where's the bathroom? What's the bathroom? Show that to the chat.
Do you think that barbecue sauce is good? Yeah, bro. You eat this shit from the bottle. Yeah.